Wait! Wait! We need enough ammunition. This is nowhere near enough ammunition. I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. It's massive. Come over the front.
I can't unless you want to record it.
Version. New version. Brett, no.
Oh shit!
Oh, I got it.
Oh yeah.
Why? You saved none for me. Wait, that wall needs to be destroyed.
That worked.
Okay. What? No, right. No, I'm not jumping on nothing. Jump on. Big one.
Yep, that wall's pretty strong.
See if you can jump from one end to the other of it.
Done? You've demolished it?